Have you ever wondered how to add headers in Google Slides so your presentations look professional and consistent? In today's guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, let's talk about adding a header that appears on all your slides. Open your presentation and go to View and select Theme Builder. This opens the master layout of your slides. Here, you can use the Insert tab to add a text box or even an image for your header. The best part? Once you customize it here, it automatically appears on every new slide you create, saving you time and keeping your slides uniform. But what if you only want a header on a specific slide? That's easy too. Simply go to that slide, use the Insert tab, and add a text box or image directly. You can position it anywhere, adjust the size, and style it however you like. This method is perfect for highlighting unique information without affecting the rest of your presentation. By mastering both these techniques, you can make your slides look polished and professional with minimal effort. Headers are a small detail, but they make a huge difference in presentation clarity and design. So next time you're creating a presentation, don't forget to use headers strategically. They're your secret weapon for a clean, organized, and visually appealing slide deck.